President Bongbong Marcos gave incentives to all of our athletes in the 2024 Paris Olympics. Marcos awarded 1 million pesos to the Olympians who fought for us in the Olympics. Their coaching staff will also receive 500,000 pesos. Two-time gold medalist Carlos Yulo was also awarded with the Presidential Medal of Merit. During the dinner ceremony held in Malacanang last night, Marcos promised additional support to the Filipino athletes to help them excel more in competitions.
I ask all of you to tell us, what is it that you need? Saan kayo, nung sa pag-training ng mga atleta natin, saan kayo nahirapan? Ano hindi ninyo magawa na maitutulog namin? You tell us.